Hi, I'm Amy, and if you found this channel, there's a good chance your homeschool days feel harder than you thought they would. Maybe your child refuses to start. Maybe you can't find a rhythm that sticks. Maybe you're covering everything on the list, but still ending the day feeling behind. That's exactly what this channel is for. I teach the Calm Homeschool method, a simple system built around rhythm instead of rigid schedules, so your days have structure without the stress. You'll find videos here on what to do when your child won't cooperate, how to simplify your subjects without falling behind, how to build a daily rhythm that actually holds, and how to stop feeling like you're always one bad morning away from quitting. No perfect homeschool rooms, no unrealistic routines, just practical systems for real families. New videos every Wednesday at 9 a.m. Eastern, and I hang out in the comments for 30 minutes after each one posts if you want to talk. Start with the video below. It's the one I'd want every burnt-out homeschool mom to watch first. And if you're having a rough day right now, grab the free Rough Day Reset in the description. It'll help. I'm glad you're here.